Imagine you're planning your dream house. Would you tell the builder, just give me 3 bedrooms and a kitchen and walk away? Probably not. You'd want detailed floor plans, material lists, plumbing, electric wiring, everything. In the world of software, the same logic applies. That detailed plan is called the Software Design Document, or SDD. Let's say a company is building a food delivery app. Without an SDD, the back-end developer might build the order system with REST APIs, the front-end team might assume it's GraphQL, the payment logic might miss retry mechanisms, the tester might have no idea what the actual flow is. Without a central design document, confusion leads to bugs, delays, and wasted effort. But with an SDD in place, developers know exactly what architecture and tools to use. QA testers understand the internal logic and edge cases. Project managers can track technical progress. New team members onboard faster. It becomes the single source of technical truth. A well-crafted SDD isn't just documentation, it's insurance for your software project. It prevents chaos, keeps the team aligned, and makes sure your project can grow and scale smoothly. So before you start building your next app, make sure your blueprint, the SDD, is ready to guide you. If this helped you understand SDDs better, hit like, share with your team, and subscribe for more detailed tech breakdowns.